Hey, this is Rachel from RightStart. I understand that you are having some questions with Level F, Lesson 105, and some of the equations on Worksheet 86. I've listed a few of these that you had questions on, so I'm going to cover a couple of them to kind of walk you through the process. The first one we're going to cover is 2/7 divided by 4/7. What I like to do is help my kids think about what this is actually saying, which is how many 4/7 goes into 2/7. And when you think of it that way, it's a little bit easier to wrap your mind around. So let's push this off to the side. How many 4/7 goes into 2/7? So I have my pieces here. I have 4/7 here. All right, so I'm going to line that up. How many 4/7 goes into 2/7? Oh, wait a minute. Let me slide it over. How many 4/7? I'm going to slide that down so it doesn't blend in. How many of these goes into this? Well, we only are using 1/2 of them, right? So 1/2 of 4/7 will fit into 2/7. So when you think of it that way, my answer then is going to be 1/2. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Let's slide those to the side. Here we have how many 4/6 goes into 5/6. So let me pull out my 6's. I need 4 of them. All right, 4/6. How many 4/6 goes into 5/6? So we have, obviously 4 is covering 4, but I have an extra 6th here. How am I going to fit 4 of them in here? Oh, I can't, right? So I could put another one over here. We're going to start another row and put that over here. And I have 1/4, one of the 4 will fit into it. So we have 1 and 1/4. And that's going to be my answer for that one. 1 and 1/4 would be this one here. 1 and 1/4. Oops. Let's try another one. Here we have 3/5 divided by 4/5. Let me find my 5ths. All right, so my 5ths. How many of these, how much of this 4/5 will fit into this? 3 of the 4 will, right? So that would be 3/4 of them will fit in it. So let's write that down, 3/4. All right, and here we have 5/8. Oops, I forgot, I moved my page, sorry. I'm moving my pieces and my pages. I'm having a hard time keeping it all together. 5/8 divided by 5/4. All right, so basically that's saying how many 5/4 will fit into 5/8. So find the 8s, and we're going to put 5/4 here. Okay, so this is the whole amount. This one here is the whole amount, and I have 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now if I take a look at that, I see it's half of the way, right? We have 2 over here, 2 over here, and it's half of this. So my answer is 1/2. And that would be my answer here, 1/2. All right, let's do one more. Here we have 3/8 divided by 1/2. So we're going to go to our 8s, and I'm dividing that by 1/2. Okay, now I have 3/8. This goes to 4/8, right? So I have 3 of the 4. So this would be, the answer would be 3/4. Do you see how this is working? I hope that helps. Let me write 3/4 down here so we have it written down. I hope that helps, but let me know if you have any other questions. Take care. Bye-bye.